Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm gonna harvest my calamansi. I have a lot of ripe calamansi. I need to harvest this before getting bad. So it's almost time for me to bring this inside the house. And I have my silly feral cat over here that always follow me. This is Bob. His name is Bob. He is a feral cat, but we try to feed them. So they're staying here in our backyard, and sometimes we bring them inside our house just to visit. Yeah, that's our calamansi there. There's a lot of ripe calamansi. This is what we do in the winter time. We have to save some of our plants, not everything. I have only a small space in my kitchen, so I save my calamansi and my lime. Still have a few calamansi out there. Very yellow. I'm gonna make a calamansi juice. I'm so grateful that this calamansi is growing pretty good. I'm so glad that there is a calamansi here in Texas. That's my harvest. There you go, guys. This is the calamansi that I'm gonna make a calamansi juice. I did not harvest everything. I'll just wait until my next batch of making calamansi. And I don't wanna harvest at once. I wanna fresh calamansi to make my calamansi juice. Fresh from the garden. And this is a snail. This is our collection. So I'm gonna show you how to make my simple calamansi juice without sugar. I'm just gonna make water. I have 1 pitcher of water and the calamansi that I harvest early. It's fresh. So this is just a simple calamansi juice. Just gonna squeeze the juice from the calamansi and add in the water. I like to add everything so that it add more flavor. all I got, guys. So this is my calamansi juice. So it's done. So this is unsweet calamansi juice. I like the way it is. And if I want a sweet calamansi, all I need to do is pour in a glass and add a sugar. But this is the way I like mine, without sugar, because it's healthy.